Look at this baby. Look at this baby. She's so happy. And purring. She has a tiny blip going on, just teeny tiny blip. Huh. Biscotti. Huh. Little goyles are leaving you to go see your kin. Biscotti's been a little terror. Well, Toffee's an angel, like usual. But they got 2 new kitties out in the room. And also, they posted a few days ago that Maggie, the one Tabby, she was adopted. So, after being there for like 1.5 to 2 years. So, good for her. She's sister of Maverick. But they have another Tabby and another Gingy in there. So, hopefully they'll be out. Toffee! Yeah, I know allergies suck, huh? Just dealing with all the pollen.
Oh my.
And we're out! Got me the happy camper. You can puncture it. You're doing great. And you got, what is that?
A lakeside.
Lakeside.
This is the blue raz.
Blue raz, yeah, butterfly tea with kiwi bulba. Yeah, they got new kitties in there. That orange boy, man, he just wanted love. There's a lot of people in there for a while, and he just couldn't get enough. Yeah.
I've never really been into boba until here. They do their drinks right.
Yes, they do. Tip your barista.
Same with chai tea. I was never a chai tea fan, but they do it really good here.
Yeah, she has a good shaken espresso.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah. Back home, Toffee is cleaning the chick fillet. Oh, she's sneezing on your foods.
Maybe you should do something about that.
No.
Why you hate me?
You know why.